Alright, another one quickly. This is don't know if anyone's actually unboxed this yet. It's a Sapphire Radeon 6770 Vapor X. Again, this is not mine. I have a 6950 flash to 6970. So, you get Dirt 3 for free. Overclock edition. Here's see on the back. You won't really be able to read these. So it's got DirectX 11, VaporX cooling, the world's best cooling solution incorporated by Sapphire since 2007. Less heat equals maximum overclocking performance. Black diamond chokes. Chokes are important components in graphics cards. Sapphire's patent pending black diamond choke offers 10% better cooling, 25% more efficiency than a normal choke, making the graphics card more reliable and energy efficient. AMD Infinity advanced memory, I guess that's just another way of saying GDDR5 and HDMI 7.1 channel audio, and AMD APP technology, which is AMD accelerated parallel processing. I'm opening it the right way, right? Nope, I'm not. Open it like this. Here you go. So you have the driver. The only reason you should use the drivers on the CD is if you don't have internet. If you're watching this video, then I don't know. You make that choice. Quick installation guide. Dirt 3. Sapphire Select Club. Whatever. Here's your Molex to PCI for older power supplies. And here it says you must connect the graphics card to the computer's power supply. No shit, Sherlock. Alright, some foam. It's like the only foam there, which isn't really good. Oh, DVI to VGA. I didn't get this. I have my own. I have my own for my older monitor that I no longer have. I gave it actually away to the person who is getting this. The graphics card itself, it's in an anti-static bag. They're always in anti-static bags. Well, this is some random foam. Oh, and it's, here we go. It's upside down again. I'll fix that one minute. Now, that is actually a sick design. When I first got into IT, I said I was going to get the 5770 Vapor X because it just looks amazing, and this is like, this looks like a fucking race car or something. Really cool. A really insanely cool design. So, let's look a bit at the cooling. Haven't got any heat pipes, but yeah, I've got a big fan in the middle just above the GPU and some fins, and there's some copper below those fins, you can't see that. So you have your PCI Express, a 3-pin. My card has two 4-pins or something like that. Your crossfire, bridge, slots, whatever. You have 2 DVI, 1 HDMI, and 1 DisplayPort. And that's really it. Again, thanks for watching.